Hey, what's up guys? It's Movie Warrior back for Blu-ray 4K Tuesday. Now today's next unboxing will be for another Scooby-Doo movie favorite of mine from my childhood that I used to rent a lot from Blockbuster along with the other one. That is for Scooby-Doo and the Ghoul School on Blu-ray from the Warner Archive collection. Yeah, so there's the front, spine, and back. Fortunately, no special features, but if you would like to read details, okay, Blu-ray disc with a disc art. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of Scooby-Doo and the Ghoul School on Blu-ray. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Search in the comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite Scooby-Doo animated film of all time. Thank you.